My dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty. In this pandemic situation, everyone you know the present situation, so it is not possible for us to attend the college, and for that we have to stay in our house for our personal sake. Today, I'll talk about in your book Agricultural Studies, Chapter 4, Agriculture and Climate. So, agriculture depends on weather and climate. The sense of weather and climate elements influence cultivation of crops, fishes, rearing domestic animal and birds. Moreover, due to climate change, global temperature is increasing and ecological balance is hampered. As a result, different disasters, flood, drought, salinity, cyclone, etc., break out in disasters form. Today, I'll talk about especially what is weather, what is climate, what are the weather, what are the climate, what are the differences between weather and climate, and impact of weather and climate in our country. Let's see, these are the figure, this is the barometer, this is thermometer, and this is rain gauge. Through this equipment or device, will measure how much rainfall in a day. So let's start. What is weather? Weather. This is the daily condition of the atmosphere of a particular place. Elements of weather. There are different elements of weather. Among them, rainfall, temperature, wind velocity, wind direction, humidity, atmospheric pressure, cloud, visibility, and sunlight. These are the elements of weather. Now we'll know what are the characteristics of weather. Weather is influenced by monsoonal wind blow. It is quickly changing. It does not influence much on the qualities of soil. Weather influence on the nursing of crop of a particular place. Now we'll go what is climate. The average weather of the duration of 25 to 30 years of the place is known as climate. Elements of climate. There are different elements of climate. Among them, these are solar radiation or solar diffusion. You know, solar radiation or solar diffusion, this is most important for the plants grow. You know the photosynthesis process. Through photosynthesis process, plant produce its food and finally we get the food. So we have to depends on directly plants or crops. So production of crops and as well as fructification and flowering, sunlight or solar radiation or solar ray is important. Air mass, atmospheric pressure process, ocean current, land relief or unevenness. You know this term. Land relief indicates that the place or area, some are so high, some are so low. This is land relief or unevenness. Now we'll know characteristics of climate. Climate is the average condition of the atmosphere in a place for a long period of time. This long period of time may be 35 to 40 years. It is slowly changing. It influences much on the qualities of soil. It influences on the varieties of crop and the selection of breeds of a particular place. We'll start what are the major or basic differences between weather and climate. Firstly, the daily atmospheric condition of a particular place, this is known as weather. On climate, the average weather of the duration 25 to 30 years of the place is known as climate. Whether it is quickly changing, climate it is slowly changing. Whether it doesn't influence much on the qualities of soil, climate it influences much on the qualities of soil. It influences on the varieties of crops and the selection of breeds of a particular place. It doesn't influence on the varieties of crops and the selection of breeds of a particular place. Weather it changes daily or every day. Climate, it changes after a long period of time. Elements of weather: rainfall, temperature, wind velocity, wind direction, humidity, atmospheric pressure, cloud, visibility, and sunlight. On contrast, elements of climate: solar radiation or solar ray or solar diffusion, air mass, atmospheric pressure forces, ocean current, and rain relief. These are the difference between weather and climate. Now we'll go importance of weather and climate in our agriculture. You know, weather and climate is so important to crop production. As we agricultural based country, so we have to depend on these. So different factors enhance the weather and climate directly. Firstly, crop production. You know, Bangladesh is an agricultural based country. Different kinds of crops grow in our country throughout the year. It may be summer, it may be winter, it may be rainy season, or some all the year round. This has become a country of the crops and as well as greenery, as there exist different types of temperature, rainfall, humidity suitable for different crops. So for the crop production, impact of weather is so important. As for example, few crops: paddy, jute, vegetable, fruits grow abundantly during the summer for the influence of monsoon climate. On the other hand, different types of summer crop or different types of rabi crops may also grow. As for oilseeds, pulses, vegetables, spices grow for the influence of winter crop. And you know, on the winter period, winter vegetables and fruits are available. On contrast, summer crop, summer season it usually grows well. And some of the crops that are usually grow all the year round. So the influence of weather and climate is very significant in crop production. Again, everyday agricultural work is influenced by weather. As for land preparation, seed sowing, fertilizer application, irrigation, crop harvesting, spread of disease, and insect pest, these are influenced directly the crop production. Second thing is that impact or importance of weather and as well as climate on fish culture or fish cultivation. You know, fish usually it lives on water. Without water, it can't survive. Abundant rainfall occurs in the Bangladesh during the rainy season. You know, rainy season usually comes as Kharif 2. So in this Kharif 2, under the influence of the monsoonal climate, lot of rainfall. So due to the huge amount of rainfall, these stay river, canal, ponds, dishes, and other water reservoir with the filter water. A lot of fishes are produced in these watery bodies, and due to the presence of the water huge in the rainy season, all the year round we get different types of fishes. The impact of monsoon climate is very vital in the production of fish. That is the culture of fish. Water is mandatory. Without water, as I told in earlier, it is not possible to grow the fish or to culture the fish. So for the fish culture and its breeding, water is mandatory, and this water usually fall on the rainy season. Besides, on the Kharif one, you may say in summer season, few or single amount of rainfall may occur. So we can say for the fish culture, it is very important enhance the impact of weather and as well as climate. Thirdly, we'll go what's the importance of weather and climate to rearing the domestic animals and birds. You know, domestic animals and birds, these are also very important for us. From these domestic animals and birds, we get different types of protein. You know, these proteins are usually categorized into two parts. One is plant protein, another is animal protein. These animal proteins are also we get from these birds and as well as animals. So these animals and birds also depends on weather and climatic conditions of our country. The weather and the climate of Bangladesh are appropriate. You know, this is so and so appropriate for us to cultivation of crops, rearing animals, or to culture the fishes, for rearing culture of fishes. In such a way, we may also rear cows, goats, buffaloes, duck, hen. You may say this is the poultry, and so on. These types of animals are usually reared by us very easily due to the different monsoonal and weather favorable condition for us. Different types of grasses, creepers, and herb grow in this country in a large quantity for their feeding purpose. So, for their feeding, these types of crops, especially the grasses, creepers, herbs, uh, as it is grow huge, so domestic animals and birds easily eat it and survive. In such a way, due to the weather condition, it grows well, and finally we rear such type of animals and birds, and finally to fulfill the protein and proteinaceous demand, especially the animal protein, and this animal protein usually comes from the animal and bird sources. Now we'll go impact of weather in our daily activities. You know, in our country, due to the weather, as earlier I mentioned, it varies day to day, daily to daily. So we can't specifically say that at the morning this is the solar radiation is so high, at the afternoon this is so and so low, or sometimes a shower of rainfall. So it varies within the moment, within time, within hour, it varies. So in such a way, I mention or I indicate here some figure. This is the impact of weather in daily activities. As per first figure you observe here, it seems to be rainy condition. Ariksha Pula here also observe you, this is the rainy condition. Second figure I indicate that this is the landslide in hill tracts of Chattogram due to the landslide and due to the impact of weather, sudden rainfall occur, and usually the lands soil that's are usually with the impact of it, houses are gone within that. And third figure you observe, you may imagine that what is it? So third figure it indicates that due to the extreme temperature in our country, this is the bird, you know, and this bird trying to drink water from a water reservoir. So this is also impact of weather. It indicates that this is the summer period or summer season. Due to the scarcity or crisis of water, this bird come and bring water from the water reservoir. And fourth figure I mentioned here, this is the real situation in our country, because especially in rainy season we observe it so much, especially in Dhaka city also. So these are the watery condition. Due to the watery condition, different vehicles. Sometimes you observe here in this figure you observe that some microbus, some private car, and others usually out of control because due to the inundation of rainfall. So this may varies. So these all are the impact of weather in terms in our country. So now we'll go what is weather and climate of Bangladesh. Exactly what are the conditions of weather and climate of Bangladesh? Yeah. If we consider the geographical position or geographical location, sea level, height and distance, temperature and rainfall of Bangladesh, we find that its climate is moderate or equable. You may think that this is neither hot, neither so hot or no cold. So this is the moderate or medium. The main characteristics of the climate of Bangladesh are proper rainfall, moderate winter, wet summer. You know, we have three seasons. One is, though in our text it given six seasons, but practically we observe the three seasons. One is summer season, another is winter season, and another is rainy season. You know, first one is that summer season, and with the summer activities, this is so and so spots. No rainfall will be at all. So in that period, temperature will be so and so high. On contrast, winter rainy season usually it been start June, July, August, and sometimes we observe in on September. So this is the rainy season. In others, in agricultural term, we will call it Kharif too. And this time maximum rainfall will happen. And due to the excess rainfall, sometimes we observe the watery condition and water stagnant condition, as I mentioned in the earlier in the above figure. So this stagnancy condition sometimes is not good. So another is winter season. You know, another name of winter is Rabi season. So in this Rabi season, sometimes the different Rabi crops, Rabi vegetables grows well, and this duration of Rabi or winter period usually starts in our country November, December, January, and sometimes February or last week of February. So more or less, these 3 or 4 months usually cover in the winter or Rabi season. So in winter season, as like a summer season, there is also a scarce of rainfall. Sometimes there will be no rainfall. On the other hand, it rains heavily during the summer as there is much vapor in air flowing from the south and southwest direction. Moreover, sudden storms and cyclones strike from the northwest direction during March and April months. And you know, these the March and April months, there is also natural disasters. These are called nor'wester storm. And due to the nor'wester storms, different agricultural crops or agricultural vegetables may hamper. These storms are accompanied by hailstorm. Due to the impact of hailstorm, crop production may reduced on sometime the stem, branches, flowers, fruits. These are the breakdown. So these are the impact of weather and as well as climate in our country. So this is all about weather, climate, impact of weather and climate in our country. So thank you very much, sir.